Hello, Flower Glamorous Cooking with Beverly family. Today we are going to be making spaghetti salad. This is an awesome salad for the summertime, for picnics. I know we're stuck in and we're not supposed to be gathering now, but when you have a little barbecue chicken or ribs, this salad goes so well with it, or with any dish. You can add meat to it and make it all in one dish. So, what it consists of is 2 cucumbers, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, zesty Italian dressing, salad supreme, and a 16-ounce box of spaghetti. I'm going to prep everything and get it ready so when I come back, I'll be ready to mix everything together and you can see how it comes together. It's so easy to make. Okay, we are back. The spaghetti has been cooked and now it is ready to pour in the bowl. You cook the spaghetti, go by the directions. Make sure you put a little oil in there so the noodles won't stick together. Now with the spaghetti salad, I have 2 cucumbers that I have sliced up. And they are going in here. You can also put carrots, green peppers. You can add any vegetables you want. My family just likes it this way. The 2 tomatoes. And now the onion. You're supposed to use a medium onion, but we like a lot of onion in ours, so I had a big onion. This is great to eat by itself. Once we get it all mixed up together, you let it sit in your refrigerator and chill for about 1 hour to 2 hours. Let it chill. Now, with this McCormick salad supreme, some people just put in 2 tablespoons. I use the whole bottle. I pour the whole bottle in. I also, this zesty Italian dressing, this is a family size. I pour the whole bottle, shake it up good so everything can mix good together. And I pour the whole bottle in here. Now all you have to do is toss and mix. Get it all mixed in here together good. This is such a good salad. Once you taste it, you'll find yourself going back getting more and more, and seem like really it's better the next day when all this Italian dressing and the salad mixing, when all those flavors start mixing in together. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But this makes a beautiful salad. You could take it to a church function, a work function, or whatever, or just eat for yourself. But this is my way of making spaghetti salad. You can put black olives in here. You could put any kind of vegetable you want. You can even add meat. You could add chicken, shrimp, crab, lobster, anything. You can do wonders with this salad. I think we got it all mixed up. Me and my little left hand is odd for me to toss and do things, but that's all right. I got it. Okay. I would like to present to everyone the spaghetti pasta salad. It can be a side or it could be your main meal. Enjoy Look at all them flavors. Look at those flavors down through there. Just look at there. It is good. Enjoy it, everyone. And please try this recipe. And if you try it, leave me a comment and let me know how it worked out for you and how your family enjoyed this salad. And if you make a salad similar to this one during the summer months, leave me a comment and let me know. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. I love you, but God loves you more because you are God's masterpiece.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous.